Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into the fascinating world of genetic engineering. Ever wondered what it actually is? Well, you're in the right place. Genetic engineering, simply put, is like editing the blueprint of life. Think of DNA as a giant instruction manual for building living things. Scientists have figured out how to tweak these instructions, making changes that can have incredible impacts. So, how does it work? Imagine you've got a book. Genetic engineering is like finding a specific sentence in that book and either changing it, adding a new sentence, or even deleting it altogether. This is done using various techniques like CRISPR, which is a super precise tool for cutting and pasting DNA. Now, why do this, you ask? The applications are mind-blowing. In medicine, genetic engineering is paving the way for gene therapies that could cure genetic disorders. Imagine a world without diseases like cystic fibrosis or muscular dystrophy. We're not there yet, but the potential is huge. And it's not just humans. In agriculture, we can create crops that are resistant to pests and diseases, or that can thrive in harsh conditions. This means more food for a growing population and less reliance on chemical pesticides. Pretty cool, right? There's also the potential to bring back extinct species. It's called de-extinction. Scientists are working on reviving animals like the woolly mammoth by editing the DNA of their closest living relatives. It sounds like science fiction, but it's becoming more of a reality every day. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. There are ethical considerations we need to think about. Just because we can do something doesn't always mean we should. The debate over designer babies, for example, raises questions about where to draw the line. But despite these challenges, the potential benefits are enormous. Genetic engineering could help us tackle some of the biggest problems facing humanity, from curing diseases to feeding the world, to even combating climate change by creating organisms that can break down pollutants. So there you have it. Genetic engineering is a powerful tool that's changing the face of science and medicine. It's a complex field with a lot of promise, but also a lot of questions still to answer. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay curious, and I'll see you next time.